Greetings, this is your buddy Jim. Welcome to my humble shop and welcome to Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. Today's video is a project I done for my neighbor across the street. And what he does is he restores old cars. He's like into Fords, Mustangs and Falcons and all kind of stuff like that. And he's got a 63 Falcon convertible that he's working on, and he needs rear window rollers that's a little different than the ones that come on the hardtops, I guess. So he brought me one that was damaged, and he brought me a couple of older ones. So we're going to try today to widen them out to where they're like the others for him. So let's see how we do with it. I think we ended up pretty good with it, so hopefully I done called him, he's going to come get them. So, sit back, enjoy, grab the family, fire up the widescreen, get the popcorn popped, get the kiddies around the TV, and let's sit back and watch me try to redo something for an old car. Hey, we'll all have some fun, so let's get cracking. Laying here on my bench is my project that I'm going to be doing in this video. What these are window rollers in a 1963 Falcon convertible. And there's two different designs of these. Some of these are wider. You see how this is busted up. My neighbor is restoring one. So what he's wanting is to take these two and make them with that wider groove. So to do that, there's some first things first, we got to make some stuff. So let's get our stuff together. Okay, here's what we have. Now I do have the tool done now. It is done. Let me move you into focus there, excuse me. But that's the tool. It's ground to match. Now on to the next problem. Okay, now what we're going to do here is we're going to face this here. A little piece of half-inch drill rod, and we're just going to screw it up from here on the end. We're going to make us a little arbor. And what we want to do is just make a little arbor just a little long enough to hold it, so, and actually a little short enough we can put a washer or something. We'll find us a flat washer. We're just going to put like a 1/4 inch. There you go. That's 2/3 of it right there. Set the stop, and then we'll just turn the OD. Alright, let me get a set of mics and do some measuring. I'm going to drill this thing pretty deep so I can won't have to cut a bolt off too much. So I'm going to drill it good and deep. So I'm going to put my tap in. I'm just going to, like I say, when it hits the bottom, it should spin because it'll bottom out. It's not a perfect hole, there it is. And there we go, we got a nice 1/4 20. I was telling someone that it's going to take longer to set this up than it is to actually do the job. So now I got to get me a bolt and a washer and get it ready. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not. We're going to go in here real carefully. And I'm going slow. Trying not to take the fat. I'm just doing this by hand. And I'm just going to try to go down in there and see if this is going to clean up just like I want it to. I'm going to go get my sample and check something. Hey folks, I've got these widened out. Hopefully they'll work for him. We're going to call him and tell him he can come by and stop by and pick them up at his convenience. Well, thank you for coming by and visiting my humble shop today. Hope you enjoyed the project. There's one thing that's been on my mind that I'd like to bring up in a regular video. I know you hear all of us on these channels, you know, hit the like button, subscribe, comment. You know, all that's appreciated. And I know there's some revenue involved for some folks. There's people that's got Patreon and there's all these other options that's out there. Well, I'm going to say something about myself, my channel, and whatever. I'm never going to turn the gift down because if somebody's so inclined, that's great. But I don't feel that I need to get on YouTube and beg you to become a patron, pay money. I don't feel like I need to beg you to send me money through PayPal. I did try that and I realized I turned people off. People don't want to come. We're bombarded too much in our lives by people trying to get into our wallets. Or it's somebody trying to sell us a vacation plan, somebody trying to call us extended warranty on the car, somebody's trying to sell you life insurance. You know, it's on and on and on and on. Folks, you come by my channel for entertainment. It's my responsibility to give you that. And that's all I ask you to do is come by and stop. And I've been fairly honest about monetization. And I'll continue to say, I don't see the need for me to go rushing into monetization with a channel that's a little bit over 1,000 subscribers. Folks, it just don't make economic sense to me and the YouTube or anything else. And plus, the loyal viewers come by, expect content, not skipping over ads. Now, if it gets to the point that it would be worthwhile financially, yes, I will do that. So I've crawled off my soapbox, and I'm sorry if I offended anybody with my soapbox, but I felt like I just need to get it off my chest. So if you would like, subscribe, and comment on my videos, I'd appreciate you doing all three. If you don't, then that's entirely up to you. If you just want to stop by and visit every once in a while, that's perfectly all right with me, but please support somebody on YouTube with a subscription. Thank you, and y'all all have a great day, and we will see you in the very next video.